Let's talk about searching. Say someone comes up to the desk and wants to look up sources about Frankenstein. At the top of the home page, you'll see a search bar into which you can put your request. You can use the drop-down menus next to the search bar to fine-tune your search. The rightmost drop-down is pretty self-explanatory. You can use it to search by title, keyword, creator, or any number of other options. So a title search for Frankenstein will bring you anything that has Frankenstein in the title. A keyword search for Frankenstein will bring you sources that are tagged with Frankenstein as a keyword. As you can see, in this particular case, we get about twice as many results with a keyword search, probably because there's some scholarship about Frankenstein that doesn't use the word Frankenstein in the title. A creator search for Frankenstein will bring up books by art historian Alfred Frankenstein and music by the band Electric Frankenstein. The creator search can be used to find authors, editors, artists, directors, musicians, and actors. As you can see, the drop-down menu on the left-hand side is currently set to all titles. The all part of all titles means that this search will bring up both e-resources and items that are available physically in our collection. If we want to see only electronic resources such as ebooks, we would need to select electronic titles. If we want to see only items that are available physically in the library, we would need to select physical titles. The titles part of all titles means that for items that have multiple volumes or copies, we're going to only get one search result. So if I look up the letters of Mary Shelley, I'll only get one result. However, there are 3 volumes of this title. To see all 3, I would have to select physical items instead of physical titles, which will bring up each volume as a separate search result. Why do these distinctions matter? Sometimes they can be helpful to make searching easier, but more importantly, the things that display in the right drop-down menu, the creator, keyword, author, change depending on what the left drop-down menu says. For example, only physical items have barcodes. So if I want to search for something by barcode, I would have to make sure that that menu is set to physical items. Once you have your search result, you can use the Facets menu on the left side of the page to narrow down your search further. With the Facets menu, you can specify material type, resource type, language, and publication year. Material type refers to whether an item is a book, a piece of music, or a visual material, such as a DVD. If I select book as my material type, I can further narrow it down to physical or electronic book, or I can broaden my search again by deselecting book here. Resource type is more specific. You can use it to search for a physical book, an online musical resource, or a physical music score, for example. If there are no results of a specific type, that type will not display. The Alma search functions differ from those in our public library catalog. Overall, neither is better or worse, and you're free to search for items in whichever manner you prefer. Each has its strengths. For example, Alma allows you to make barcode searches, while the public library catalog allows you to search for books in specific collections, such as juvenile or bestsellers. If you are struggling to find something with one, it's never a bad idea to try the other.